When most people think of all-terrain vehicles, a rugged ATV or a lifted off-road truck usually comes to mind. But beyond the familiar lies, a world of machines built to go where roads disappear entirely. Across frozen tundra, deep swamps, desert dunes, open water, and even broken ice. These extreme all-terrain vehicles are engineered with one goal: to keep moving no matter how hostile the environment becomes. From amphibious beasts that float and crawl to tracked monsters designed for polar exploration, this list explores 20 incredible machines you probably didn't know existed. Vehicles that push the limits of mobility and redefine what off-road truly means. ARGO Sasquatch. The ARGO Sasquatch XTX is an impressively capable extreme all-terrain vehicle that blends rugged utility with thoughtful features for serious off-road and amphibious use. It is powered by a 1.8-liter turbo diesel engine paired with an HDT automatic e-steer transmission, giving smooth torque delivery across challenging terrain. The vehicle rides on massive 71-inch XT328 tires with automated terrain control for on-the-fly inflation adjustments, and it can carry 4 people in a quiet, ergonomic ROPS certified cab. Standard comforts include heating, air conditioning, a 12-inch digital display, and ample sealed storage in the Flex Box and Squatch Box, making it both practical and comfortable for remote missions. MAX 2 6x6 Amphibious ATV. The MAX 2 6x6 Amphibious ATV is a delightfully rugged and unconventional all-terrain vehicle that feels like the ultimate backyard explorer for swamps, mud, and shallow water crossings. Powered by reliable small engine options from the Vanguard lineup and riding on 6-wheel drive with a skid-steer transmission, it's designed to tackle terrain that stops traditional ATVs in their tracks. Its sealed polyurethane body and buoyant tires let it float and inch through ponds and marshland, though don't expect high-speed water performance. Practical specs include seating for 2, roughly 725 pounds dry weight, 1,310 pounds gross vehicle weight, a 5-gallon fuel tank, and about 1,000 pounds towing capacity, making it as functional as it is quirky. Tinger TF4 Pro. The Tinger TF4 Pro stands out as a robust, articulated, all-terrain vehicle built for serious off-road challenges, combining versatility with thoughtful engineering. Powered by a 1.6-liter, 90-horsepower VAZ gasoline engine and a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a transfer case, it delivers reliable performance across mud, snow, and uneven terrain. With a high ground clearance of around 500 millimeters, 600 kilogram payload capacity, and seating for up to 5, the TF4 Pro also features a spacious cab, hydraulic disc brakes, and on-the-fly central tire inflation control that enhances traction without leaving the seat. Its design balances rugged capability with surprising comfort for extended expeditions in remote environments. Burlak 6x6. The Burlak 6x6 is an extraordinary extreme all-terrain vehicle built for heavy-duty off-road use, known for its massive 69-inch tires and rugged diesel power that deliver traction and versatility across mud, snow, and open terrain. It can accommodate up to 8 people and various cargo configurations, with switchable all-wheel drive and differential locks enhancing its adaptability. Its large 280-liter fuel tank and modular accessories like flatbed and crane options make it practical for extended expeditions and utility tasks. While its size and handling can feel unwieldy in tight spots, the Burlak's presence and capability are undeniable in remote environments. Jetour Zongheng G 700. The Jetour Zongheng G 700 breaks the mold of conventional all-terrain SUVs by blending luxury, hybrid performance, and serious off-road capability into one commanding package. Built on Chery's advanced hybrid platform, its plug-in hybrid powertrain combines a 2.0T engine with dual electric motors to produce up to around 892 horsepower and over 1,100 Newton-meters of torque. while delivering a remarkable combined range near 1,400 kilometers. Its robust chassis, triple differential locks, air suspension with adjustable ride heights, and nearly 1 meter wading depth make it adept on trails and through water. Inside, multiple large displays, advanced ADAS, and premium seating elevate comfort and tech. Although it's technically an SUV rather than a traditional ATV, the G700's rugged engineering and amphibious achievements, including crossing the Yangtze River, underscore its all-terrain ethos. Avtoros Shaman 8x8. The Avtoros Shaman 8x8 is an extraordinary extreme all-terrain vehicle that feels built for explorers who laugh at conventional trails. This Russian-made beast features 8 driven wheels with independent suspension and ultra-low-pressure tires that help it crawl over swamps, snow, and rugged landscapes with surprising poise. Powered by an Iveco 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, it delivers robust torque for steep climbs and heavy loads. Its sealed boat-like chassis and optional propeller make it amphibious, while clever steering modes, including a crab walk feature, enhance maneuverability in tight spots. Spacious enough for passengers and gear, the Shaman blends brute capability with uncanny versatility in remote terrain. Mudox XL. The Mudox XL is a strikingly capable extreme all-terrain vehicle that feels equally at home, hauling gear through mud, snow, or swamps as it is tackling rugged trails. Its hydrostatic drive system, with independently controlled hydraulic motors, lets you pivot on a dime and thread through tight terrain with zero shifting required. Powered by either a 57 horsepower Kubota or an 85 horsepower Ford Gas EFI engine, the XL offers robust torque, a 14-inch ground clearance, and a hefty 2,000-pound load capacity. With ergonomic controls, optional steering wheel setup, and practical storage options, it blends serious utility with intuitive handling for both recreation and work. TerrainHopper Overlander 4 ZX. The TerrainHopper Overlander 4 ZX reimagines what an all-terrain mobility vehicle can be, blending rugged off-road prowess with thoughtful accessibility features for real-world exploration. Built with 4 750-watt electric motors and true four-wheel drive, it delivers up to 3,000 watts of peak power and can tackle steep gradients, mud, sand, snow, and rough trails with 250 millimeters of ground clearance. Independent suspension smooths rough terrain, while optional joystick or dual steering adds control flexibility. Supporting up to about 190 kilograms of user weight and offering a 20 to 40 miles range depending on battery choice, the 4ZX makes outdoor freedom a reality for those who refuse limits. Can-Am Outlander MAX 6x6. The Can-Am Outlander MAX 6x6 is a rugged, hard-working, all-terrain vehicle that feels as capable on the trail as it does on the job. With its selectable 4-wheel drive / 6-wheel drive drivetrain and Rotax-powered engines, from mid-range 650 cubic centimeters to higher output 850 / 1000 cubic centimeter variants, it delivers confident power and traction across mud, hills, and soft ground. The dual-level cargo box and convertible rack system make hauling gear and materials easy, while a robust CVT transmission and tri-mode dynamic power steering keep control intuitive. It tows up to roughly 1,650 to 1,830 pounds and offers around 11 to 12 inches of ground clearance, making it a versatile choice for both farm work and adventure. Goes Terrox 500. The Ghost Terrox 500 is a solid, no-nonsense all-terrain ATV that blends practical capability with everyday versatility. Powered by a liquid-cooled 495 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine paired with a smooth CVT transmission, it delivers around 38 horsepower and a usable torque curve that keeps you confident over trails or farm work. Selectable 2, WD/4WD, and independent AA arm suspension provide traction and comfort on uneven ground. It offers around 250 millimeters of ground clearance, hydraulic disc brakes, a 14-liter fuel tank, and useful load capacity with front rear racks and a winch for utility tasks. Compact yet robust, the Terrox 500 feels like a dependable partner for weekend adventures and daily chores alike. Tinger TF4. The Tinger TF4 is a rugged, articulated, all-terrain vehicle designed to tackle swamps, snow, mud, and water with surprising confidence. Powered by a Sherry SQR 812 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine producing around 57 horsepower and paired with a 5-speed manual plus CVT setup, it can reach about 60 kilometers per hour on land and up to 5 kilometers per hour in water, though it isn't a true boat. Its permanent all-wheel drive, hydro power steering, 500mm ground clearance, and ultra-low pressure 1400 by 650mm tires help it conquer obstacles up to 700mm high. The cabin feels surprisingly car-like with heating, ergonomic seats, USB/12-volt outlets, and practical storage, making long journeys more comfortable. Overall, the TF4 blends serious off-road capability with thoughtful features for demanding environments. Sherp Arc. The Sherp Arc is an impressive behemoth among extreme all-terrain vehicles, engineered to conquer virtually any landscape with confidence. Its 10x10 drivetrain, articulated steering, and adjustable ultra-low pressure tires let it climb steep 40-degree slopes, cross trenches over 2 meters wide, and traverse swamps, snow, rocks, and water at about 30 kilometers per hour on land and 6 kilometers per hour on water. Powered by a Doosan D24 Tier 4 final diesel engine, it offers exceptional fuel autonomy, up to around 95 hours, and can carry roughly 7,500 pounds of cargo, or up to 22 passengers. With ergonomic controls, a high-visibility cabin, and modular payload options, the Arc blends utility and resilience for expedition, rescue, and heavy-duty work in remote conditions. Segway. AT10W. The Segway. AT10W is a refreshingly powerful and modern all-terrain vehicle that feels ready for both serious trail work and weekend adventure. At its heart sits a 999 cubic centimeter DOHC twin-cylinder engine, producing around 97 horsepower with a smooth CVT automatic transmission and selectable 2WD/4WD plus front and rear differential locks for traction in varied conditions. Its large 30-inch tires and roughly 320 millimeters of ground clearance help it tackle ruts, rocks, and roots confidently, while hydraulic disc brakes with ABS improve stopping control. Smart features like electronic power steering, LED lighting, a 4,500-pound winch, front and rear racks, and connectivity through the Smart Moving app make it feel both capable and thoughtfully equipped for long days on rough terrain. Polaris Sportsman XP 1000 S2 Up. The Polaris Sportsman XP 1000 S2 Up is a powerful and versatile all-terrain ATV that's built to tackle rugged trails while comfortably carrying a passenger. Based on a robust 952 cubic centimeters ProStar twin-cylinder engine paired with an automatic PVT transmission, it delivers smooth power and confident traction across mud, rocks, and uneven terrain. Its long travel suspension, multi-select electronic power steering, and active descent control help absorb bumps and maintain stability, while a 3,500-pound winch and strong towing and rack capacities enhance utility. The quick-release premium passenger seat adds comfort and flexibility, making shared adventures practical and enjoyable without compromising capability. Burlak 8x8. The Burlak 8x8 is a staggering example of extreme off-road engineering that pushes the boundaries of all-terrain capability. This Russian-built 8-wheel behemoth measures roughly 12 meters long, nearly 3 meters wide and high, and tips the scales around 12.5 tons, with room for about 8 people, plus around 2.5 tons of cargo, while still offering true off-road mobility. It combines a welded, heavy-duty chassis and ultra-low pressure tires with amphibious potential and long-range cruising performance, reportedly able to travel hundreds of kilometers without refueling. Its sheer size and capability make it feel more like an expedition truck than a traditional ATV, blending brute strength with surprising versatility in deep mud, snow, and rugged landscapes where few vehicles venture. Langfeide GT4S. The Langfeide GT4S is an unconventional yet thrilling take on all-terrain electric mobility, blending ATV-like capability with a four-wheel stand-up platform that feels more like a rugged adventure machine than a traditional scooter. Powered by 4 high-power electric motors, 3,000 watts each for a combined peak output around 14,000 watts, it confidently tackles rocks, sand, forests, and steep gradients with a top speed approaching 110 kilometers per hour. Its 19-inch tubeless tires, hydraulic brakes with 4 pistons and calipers, and hydraulic suspension deliver solid grip and control on varied surfaces. With a robust aluminum alloy frame that supports up to around 300 kilograms and even offers a towing function, the GT4S feels like a potent mix of brute force and thoughtful design for explorers who want powerful electric performance off the beaten path. Atlas ATV. The Atlas ATV is a truly remarkable extreme all-terrain vehicle built to handle nearly any environment with ease, from deep mud and rugged trails to shallow water crossings. Its rugged 4x4 drivetrain, air suspension with vibration dampening, high ground clearance, and low-pressure tires work together to deliver confident traction and stability over unpredictable terrain. Capable of carrying up to 12 passengers or heavy cargo with a robust diesel engine and manual transmission, Atlas blends practicality with brute capability. Its thoughtful interior and surprisingly intuitive controls make long journeys comfortable, while amphibious potential ensures no landscape feels out of reach. Light Tracks Mud Tracks. The Light Tracks Mud Tracks is an exceptionally versatile tracked all-terrain vehicle that feels like a mini-tank built for adventure and utility alike. Unlike traditional wheel-based ATVs, it uses wide, low-pressure tracks and a sealed amphibious chassis to effortlessly slither over mud, snow, water, and uneven ground that would stop most machines in their tracks. Powered by various engine options with hydrostatic drive and joystick controls, models like the 1000 MTX and MTX-C deliver reliable power, low ground pressure, and comfortable rides even with 2- or 4-seat configurations. While not built for high speeds, the Mudtrax's buoyant design and rugged suspension make it a compelling choice for hunters, explorers, and utility tasks in remote conditions. Venturi Antarctica. The Venturi Antarctica is a remarkable and highly specialized extreme all-terrain vehicle that redefines what purpose-built mobility can be in the harshest places on Earth. Designed and developed by Venturi as the first zero-emissions electric polar exploration vehicle, it operates on articulated tracks and is optimized for snow and ice in Antarctica's hostile conditions, even in temperatures down to about -50 degrees Celsius. Powered by twin 60-kilowatt electric motors and a high-capacity battery pack, it can carry scientists and equipment up to 6 people while minimizing environmental impact, with the option to add a second battery for extended range. Its rugged insulation, thoughtful interior layout, and reliability under extreme cold make it a standout example of electric all-terrain engineering, tailored for scientific exploration, where traditional vehicles simply cannot operate. Mudox Vengeance. The Mudox Vengeance is a rugged and practical 8x8 all-terrain vehicle that feels built for outdoor work and adventure without unnecessary complexity. Designed on the same robust chassis as the larger XL model, it uses a skid-steer T20 transmission for true full-time 6-wheel drive, giving smooth, controlled turns and consistent traction in mud, snow, or uneven ground. Depending on the engine choice, such as a 31 horsepower Kawasaki or 40 horsepower Briggs & Stratton, the Vengeance delivers reliable low-end torque and a roughly 14-inch ground clearance. With seating for 4 to 6, a standard winch, and simple bolt-on serviceability, it's a capable, user-friendly machine for hunting, land management, and light utility tasks.